Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. First of all, I'm really sorry that I haven't been putting out my normal videos for almost 2 weeks now. There is another project that I'm working on right now and it's a super killer project, and I have one of the industry tycoons mentoring me for the same. And I'm pretty sure you guys will get to know about the project real soon, but as of now it's kind of under the wraps and a work in progress. However, I promise you guys that starting today all the videos will be coming out as in the order that we were previously following, which is a normal video like this every Thursday and a podcast episode every Sunday, and every other day you will have short clips of the podcast episodes which are easy bits for you to consume. As for now, let's get into the topic of today's video. So today, the reason why I'm sitting down on my bed and talking to you guys is because the topic that we will be covering today is a very sensitive topic. And it's a topic that I'm pretty sure that a lot of people, especially this year, are going to relate with. The topic we're going to be talking about today is anxiety. And when I say anxiety, I do not just mean anxiety about the pandemic or maybe catching the virus or anything of that sort. I mean anxiety of all the types. Be it the anxiety of not knowing what your future is going to be like because your exams have been cancelled. Be it the kind of anxiety that you're facing because you just lost your fucking job. Be it the kind of anxiety that you're having because your surroundings, maybe you live in an area where a lot of people already have the virus. So these are the kind of anxieties which people are facing right now especially. But what I'm going to be talking about right now is something which applies regardless to whatever kind of anxiety you're facing. I'm going to be giving a simple yet totally effective way of getting rid of anxiety. And I swear to God, this is not a clickbait. This is something that even I use right now whenever I get anxious, and this is something that a lot of industry leaders, creatives, influencers, all the people who are at the very best in their field also use this trick. So let's dive into it. So the tip I'm talking about right now is understand your mortality. That's it. Just accept and realize the fact that you are going to die and that nothing is going to matter. It's something which can be very morbid as well if you take it that way, but why not take it in a very liberating sense? No matter what it is that you're afraid of right now, there is a huge chance that 10 years from today that wouldn't even matter. And even if it will matter 10 years from today, go forward 100, 200 years in time, it's a very rare possibility that anyone will even remember your name. Anyone will even remember the very brief moment of your existence. You are nothing. I'm nothing. We are nothing. We are just momentary specks in the time of this universe or multiverse, if that's what you believe in. So what is it that you're scared of? Are you scared of flunking your exams? Who cares? No one cares that you failed your exams as long as you gave your best shot and you did whatever was possible for you to do. Are you scared or are you anxious because you just lost your job? Hell, you have my deepest sympathies, and I know that shit might seem really scary for you. I know that because I lost an internship that I was getting a fair bit of amount from at the start of this pandemic, and I got shit scared. But does it really matter? Will it really have an effect on you, on who you are, or what kind of life you lead 10 years down the line? Fuck 10 years, even 5 years down the line, even 2 years down the line, will this situation matter? It won't. And trust me, it's not me who's saying this. It's all the people who have been on my podcast. Everyone says that these things do not matter in the long run. So if you are someone, especially my brothers and sisters who are students out there right now, if you guys are worried that you might not be able to focus during online classes, which is something that hell even I deal with. I never focus in the online classes. Or maybe you're someone who's supposed to give his JE, NEET or CLAT or any of the competitive exams this year, and you are shit scared of what the future might hold for you. It won't matter, because what you need to understand is that you need to tell to yourself that I gave my best shot. I did whatever it was that I could do. And that's all that's going to matter. This can be your biggest motivation, because the motivation that someone's mortality can give you, and when I say someone's, I don't just mean the person you might have lost, I also mean your mortality. What have you got to lose? You've got nothing to lose. You're already naked. You are worth nothing. I am worth nothing. No one is fucking worth anything. There is nothing for you to lose. What are you so scared of? If you made it this far, I'd like to share something with you. This is a video that I made not just for you, but also partly for me. This is kind of a self-talk session that I needed to have with myself, but I thought I'd record it just in case someone else also might need to hear this, or even if I need to hear it again in the future. That's what this was. It was me talking to me. And that's what I urge you to do. So here are the tips for taking care of anxiety. First, embrace your mortality. Understand that you're going to die. We've already covered this. Second, talk to yourself. Just like I'm doing right now. I'm not even worried about, I might get some hate on this video, or people might not share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm not thinking about anything. This video is not for that purpose. This is just me talking to myself. Do that. It's going to help you a lot, trust me. And take care of yourselves, guys. These times are crazy right now. And if you guys ever need my help with anything, even though I'm not much of anything right now, but I hope I will be someday. But if you ever need my help in any matter, which I might be of assistance, my Instagram is linked down below. You can DM me there anytime and I'll make sure I help you. Till next time, Godspeed.